card has no purpose? Okay. Wait. $5. I sent it anyway. Haha. Actually, I sent it to say happy summer and sent $5, possibly for Mom's apple pie bakery.
Ooh. What do you say to Grandma Diane? What do you say?
I sent it anyway. Thanks for the hilarious joke in this.
What does it say?
This card talks. But let me see. This card talks. Hi, it's me. Me again. Hey Finn, happy summer. Here is $5, possibly for ice cream. Ice cream man truck on your street. Love you, Grandma Diane.
What do you say?
Thank you.
And thank you for the cool shirts. Awesome. Finn went straight for the monkey shirt,
Actual monkey, right?
and Elliot went straight for the shirt that talked about how awesome he is.
Yep.
What do you say?